Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Computational Physics class. This video is a part of Computational Physics lecture series. In this video, we will discuss about operators. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulations. C++ is rich in built-in operators and provide the following types of operators. There are 4 different types of operators used in C++ program language. Arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, and the fourth one is assignment operators. Let's see these operators one by one in detail. First of all, the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators that are similar to the operational arithmetic operations that we use in maths, but the symbols used for arithmetic operations in C++ language are a bit different, mentioned over here. For the sum or for the addition, we use the same plus sign, and for the subtraction, it is the same minus sign, but for the multiplication, the steric sign is used in C++ language, while for the division, this slash sign is used. And for the remainder, this percentage sign is used. These two are the increment and decrement operators. Now let's see it one by one. If we assume that we have two variables, A variable and B variable, both these variables are integer type. A variable is initialized by a value of 10, while B variable is initialized by a value of 20. So, first operator, that is for the addition, A plus B, it will give you the answer equal to 30, as 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. The second operator is for the subtraction. When we use A minus B, then it tells the compiler to subtract value of B from A. It will give you the value or the output equal to minus 10. The third one is for the multiplication. Two variables, after multiplication, we will get an answer of 200. And this answer or output will be displayed on the screen. If these operators are used inside the C++ program, then it will give you the output on the screen. This slash sign is for the division, and after dividing B divided by A, it will give you the answer 2. This percentage sign is used for the remainder. If we are using B modulus operator modulus operator A, it means that when B is divided by A, then what will be the remainder? It will give you the remainder of that division. The compiler will divide B, it will perform an operation of B divided by A, and after division, the remaining part or the remainder will be displayed as an answer. So when B is divided by A, then the remainder is equal to 0. Next operator, the 2 plus sign, it is for the increment. Increment is if you use it with any of the variable like this, it will give you answer by addition of 1 to that value. And similarly, this decrement operator, if it is used with any variable, then it will give you the answer after subtracting 1 from its earlier stored value. As written over here, a plus plus, it means that it will tells the compiler to increase the value of a, which has been initialized to be 10, by 1. So after executing this a plus plus, it will give you the answer of 11. And a minus minus, the decrement operator, it will give you the answer after subtracting 1, equal to 9 will be the answer shown on the screen. Here the increment and the decrement operators, there are two types of both the increment and the decrement operators. One is prefix and the other is postfix. Prefix is if we are using the increment or decrement operator inside a expression, then the prefix will, what it will be doing, that the value which is initialized earlier, it will use that value and it will solve that expression. After solving that expression, the value will be either increase or decrease by 1. Whereas for the postfix, if the postfix operator, either increment or decrement operator is used, first of all the variable will be either added by 1 or subtracted by 1, depending if the increment operator is used or the decrement operator. After that operation, its value will be utilized in that expression. So the main difference between prefix and postfix is that the expression in which they are involved, either its value is changed and then utilized in the expression, or its value is used in the expression with the previously stored value, and after solving the expression, its value will be changed. Next is the relational expression or the relational operators. These are the relational operators. A relational operators, when used in an expression, it is called a relational expression. A relational expression consists of constants, variables, or arithmetic expressions that are combined by a relational operators. A relational expression is written to find a relation between two expression or value. These relational expressions are part of various control statements and the repetitional statements, because it returns only a single value, and this single value is either true or false, or if it is true, then the value will be displayed as 1, and if the expression is false, then the value will be displayed as 0. Now here we consider an example. We again consider two variables, integer type variables a and b. A is initialized by 10 while b is initialized by 20. So these are the several operators, relational operators: lesser sign, greater sign, lesser than equal to, greater than equal to sign, and not equal to sign. So these are the symbols which are used by the C++ programs. Now if we consider that if a is less than b, if a is less than b means that 10 is less than 20. If we consider that 10 is less than 20, which this condition is false, so we will get an answer of 0. Some other example written over here in the form of constants, where 5 and 2 is considered as two values and the operator, relational operators are used. If we consider 5 is greater than 2, this 5 is greater than 2, this condition is true and it will give you the answer of equal to 1. And the other, less than equal to means either the value is less than or it is equal. So in both the cases the answer will be true. Here 5 less than equal, neither 5 is less than 2 nor 5 is equal to 2. So this condition is false. For the next condition, 5 greater than equal to 2, 5 is greater than 2 but 5 is not equal to 2. As the two, among the two, one thing is true, so the answer is considered to be true. It means that either of the two conditions, either it is greater or either it is equal in both the cases, or in both the cases when it is also considered in an expression, then it will check that either one of the thing is true, then it will give you the answer of true. If both the things are false, then answer will be equal to 0. The next is the equal to sign. If the two values are equal to each other, then the answer will be true. And this is for the not equal to. If the two values are not equal, the symbol over here is the explanation mark, equal to sign. It is used for not equal to or relation operator. Next is logical operators. Logical operators, we have three types of logical operators: logical AND operator, logical OR operator, and logical NOT operator. The logical AND operator, symbol written over here, two AND signs. If both the operands are non-zero, operands means these A and B are the two operands. If they are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. If A and B both are non-zero, then if we use the AND operator, then the value on the output will be true, otherwise it will be false. And the logical OR operator, if any of the two operands is non-zero, then condition becomes true. It means that if any one, A or B, is the two operands, we are assuming if any one or both of them are non-zero, then this OR operator will give you the value true. Remember that it will give you the value false only if both the operands are 0. While in the case of AND, it will give you true and output true only if both the operands are non-zero. If any one of the operand is equal to 0 or both are equal to 0, then the logical AND operator will give you the answer equal to false. Third one is logical NOT operator, used to reverse the logical state of its operand. If a condition is true, then the logical NOT operator will make false. It means that if we consider that here is an example in which A and operator B, its value was equal to false, because we have assumed that A holds a value of 1 while B holds a value of 0. So this expression a and sign and operator b, its value was false. When we use this not operator with this expression, its value will be reverse. So its value will become equal to true. So similarly, in this case, if this a with the or sign with b use in between, or operator use in between the two operands a and b, its answer was true. If we write over here the not operator, then its answer will be equal to answer, or the output will equal to false. So these were all the operators that are used mainly in C++ program, in various loops and in various control structure. Now comes the last operator, which is the assignment operator, and it is part of almost all the C++ programs. So assignment operator, the equal to sign is considered as the assignment operator. This assignment operator assigns the value from the right side operand to the left side operand. If we consider that we have initialized a value a is equal to 10, so the 10 value will be assigned or stored in the memory in place of variable a. So the value for the variable a will be stored by will be stored to 10. Here consider an example where c is equal to a plus b. It will give you the c will be assigned the value which is the addition of the two operands. If we have assumed that a is equal to 10 while b is equal to 20, so the addition of the two operands will give you the answer equal to 30. So the 30 will be assigned to variable c. Next is the and add and assignment operator. And assignment operator, the plus sign and equal to sign, this is equivalent to this. If similarly the subtract and assignment, if we use this, instead of using c is equal to c minus a, if you write c is equal to the subtract and sign assignment operator and a, both have the same meaning. Likewise, the multiplication, it will also have the same meaning, and the division and the remainder, it all of them have the same meaning. Here you can see there are two options. You can write in this way and you can also write in this way. Both are true in case of programming in C++ language. Here the left shift and assignment operator, this one, it means that you will be using that this same will the two lesser than sign with the 2, and it is the next is the greater than sign with 2. The two are, these are usually not used in C++ program, in the common C++ program. So these assignment operators are, and this one is very frequently used in all C++ program. So this was all about the operators and its various types of operators and how it will function and how it will produce the output, all were discussed in this video.